In this video, I want to teach buffer and not gates by inviting Bill to a party. I teach these two gates in Siemens PLCs in 3 programming languages, which are LAD, STL, FBD. Hi. Welcome to PLC channel. I want to teach buffer gates and not by inviting Bill to a party. There are 2 possibilities for inviting Bill. The first possibility is that Bill will not be invited, and the second possibility is that Bill will be invited. There are 2 possibilities for holding this party. The first possibility is that the party will not be held, and the second possibility is that the party will be held. Remember the signs of these probabilities. Before programming, I define a symbolic name for the input and output. To do this, first open the symbolic editor window. In the first row and in the symbol column, I type Bill's name. Type I0.0 in the address bar. In the second row, in the symbol column, I type party. And in the address column, I type Q0.0. Then I save and open the programming window. In another video on this channel, I have introduced 5 important windows in STEP7. I recommend you watch that video. I want to write a gate buffer. First I write this gate in LAD language. Click on the normally open contact. I type the word Bill on it. Then I click on oil and type the word party on it. And the end. Here is how the gate buffer works. If Bill is invited to the party will be held. Otherwise, the party will not be held. Bill equals party. To test, open the simulation window. I save. Download and monitor the program. See carefully how the gate buffer works in LAD language. To change the programming language, first click on the monitor and then on the view, and select STL. Now I click on the monitor. See carefully how the STL language buffer gate works. I change the programming language again. This time I will change to FBD. I click on the monitor again. See carefully how the gate buffer works in FBD language. Now I want to write the NOT gate program. First, I choose the LAD programming language. Click on Normally Close Contact and then Coil. I type the name of the bill on the Normally Close Contact and the word party on the coil. Here is how NOT works. If bill is invited to a party, no party will be held, otherwise a party will be held. Bill equals NOT party. I save, download, monitor. See carefully how NOT works with LAD language. I changed the programming language to SDL. See carefully how NOT works in SDL. I changed the programming language to FBD. See carefully how NOT works in FBD. Now I make these changes. I change the bill to the letter A and the party to the letter Y. Also, I change no to 0 and yes to 1. The truth table of buffer and NOT gates will look like this. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.